Okay. Uh, so today we're making a sandwich. No, mine. This is mine. This is mine. Uncut bread. There you go. Yes, we're cutting this. There.
Horizontally.
Oh, is it backwards? No, just sideways. Around a centimeter thick of bread should do the trick for me. First slice. There you go. Now we can just put this here. We'll use that later. So, bread. Now, we need to fry this. We need to cook this. Marami pa ba daw yung mga balatin? Ay. Okay. First layer done. Set this aside. Now for the lettuce. Well, it's kinda too bad that my microphone died, but it's okay. Just put this. There we go. Yeah. Ow! It's a little hot, but it's okay. My phone doesn't support OTG below 5%, so yeah, it's kind of a bummer. top of the thing. Still gives up juice. Yes, I'm using a bread knife since it keeps the tomato intact by sawing. Well, that's enough. Yes, my phone is charging. Always are getting better. Spoon. No, use a fork. It's much more better. Well, you can eat this like this, but I like it at 200 degrees Fahrenheit, probably like 15 minutes ago. That should do it. Barbecue stick dyan? Wala! Barbecue stick? Okay, so the purpose of our barbecue sticks here is to make the bread not fall. So around there, but we're not adding this to the list. So, ow! Ah! There. So, no, you are not falling this time. Uneven placement. Ow! The tomato. Ow! The burner elements. The oven. There. Jeez. There we go. Let's just move the That's just clean laundry. Some clothes. And why is my camera tilted? Ah! So. So when we're on it, we should probably make something like a cup of tea might be good. First, we need to take our taste test. Oh, that pierce. But let's. Yep, that's the sound of good bread. Oh my! Just hear that. The air conditioning is blowing everything away. Ah, there's the inside. I'll keep the other, but let's just eat like a fourth of it. With some nice and hot. Well, not hot anymore since the air conditioning is on and little. Oh! Iced tea.